Hello friends, my name is Samar and I am here with a new video on some Git operations like merge of two branches, cherry pick operation with the help of Source software. Okay, so without wasting the time, move to cherry pick operation. So first of all, let me explain you what is cherry pick. So in case of cherry pick, we can pick any specific commit from one branch to another branch. So we have a repository, okay, and we have two branches over here. Like first branch we have master, and the other branch is temp. So let's suppose there are some commit on temp branch, which we need to cherry pick on master branch. Okay, so I have make two commit over here. First of all, this remove commented code 1 and the second is remove commented code 2. So first of all we need to cherry pick this one. So what we will do, we'll make right click over here and cherry pick and select these two options and continue. So what happened, like this commit comes on master branch. You can see this one, this one commit over here. So we'll push this code in master and this code pushed in the master. So what happened over here, like we were on master branch and we just cherry pick this one commit from the other branch on the master. Okay, so this is cherry pick actually. So when we want some piece of commit from one branch to another, so in that case we use this cherry pick. Okay, okay, so now move on the second option. So merge a branch to other branch. So let's suppose we have the master branch and the temp branch. So if there is some other changes which we have on the temp branch. So let's suppose the remove commented code 2. So this is the other changes. So there can be some more commit. There can be 5 or 10 commits and some more commits. So there are some other changes on this branch. So if we need all the changes from temp branch into master branch, so what we will do, we'll just right click on the temp branch and just select this option, merge temp into master. So once we will click out on this option and okay. So what happened, like all the changes from temp branch came in master branch. So there is a conflict came here. So what I will do, I will use resolve conflict, resolve using there. So I'm just taking the changes from the temp branch. So I'll just click the resolve using there and I'll commit this change. So now what happened, all the changes from temp branch came into the master branch and I have just pushed all the changes on the remote. So it means all changes from temp branch came in master branch, not all changes from master branch came in temp branch. So both branch are not the same. So basically master contain all the changes from temp branch, but it's not necessary that temp also contain all the changes from master branch. This is the big difference. So in starting, people make the mistake on understanding this thing, like both branches are not the same. So these are two operations which is useful during development. I hope this video will more helpful for the developers. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for watching Make Tech Easy channel. Thank you.